You're right guys, I ain't made a video in a fucking long time. I was going to upload all the ones I recorded before, but you know what, fuck it, I'm just going to start fresh. Give you fresh new content. So all the mopeds are gone. Everything's gone apart from the mini bike, wherever it may be. Oh, it's out the front. And the YBR. If you haven't seen the YBR, it's a 2015 model. Just got a new clutch cable and levers. Brakes are sharp as fuck. Got new indicators as well. Just need to trim the glue off that one, as all of them needed gluing internally. I changed all the lock set when I bought it as well, but snapped that off and tried bodging it and everything and it didn't work. Yeah, this is the YBR125 fuel injected, and yeah, let's get into it. Come on. Do you guys want to know what's going on today? I'll give you a hint. Right, to do with all this, to do with the engine. Leave your comment down below, pause the video and everything, tell me what you think it's going to be, and then you'll see what it is in a minute. Woohoo! But before I show you that, I just want to show you making a homemade chain lubing device. And what? Say no more. Is I am putting a 150 kit on the YBR team. Right, so at the moment you can see and listen at it. Starts and runs, can't be too loud, so that was it. So it starts and runs right now. So we're gonna I'm in the engine! Right, heads off. That's with the cam gear bolts on. That's the valve. Doesn't look the worst condition, just looks used really. It doesn't look broken or anything. The valves look like they're still sealing fine, but I will re-lap them when I have shit. For now I'm just going to clean all of that out properly. Clean off all around the exhaust port. And then of course this is all getting changed, isn't it? Yeah boy. Wait, why is that side there clear? Like, that's proper shiny silver there. Someone explain to me. And now the bit you've all been waiting for as well, the size difference in pistons. See, of course it's clearly not going to be that big, going from 125 to 150, but still that's pretty fucking huge in comparison, you know? Just flip them over. You know, look, there is a big difference still. Right, pistons on, rings are on in the right order as well because I double checked them against that one. Clips in, gudgeon pins in, everything's lubed up there. Just need to lube up all the outside, lube up all the cylinder and everything, and get ready to chuck all that on. But the excitement's starting to build now. You really can see the size difference, can't you? Look at the difference. Such difference. Right. I've just put everything back together, so you can see the old cylinders on the floor there, the old dirty one. Brand new ones there, it's all on. Should all be bolted up hard. I want to give it a go, but I'm scared. Prime it a few times. And let's go. Ooh, it runs. Really loud. And I'm not sure what the loud noise is. Okay, so it's making weird noises and it's running weird. Don't know. I'm gonna say put it back together, take it for a little very small run, see what happens. Hopefully nothing too bad happens, so I don't really want to buy a new engine today. But yeah. So it runs, idle's really low. Watch the dives idling so low. But it runs, just a little bit noisy. We'll fix that. Yeah boy! Inside. And a bit of a, well, I was just inside and I had a bit of a realisation as to what I've done. Right? So I was going to put the air filter in to see if it ran any better or anything. Then I realised, yeah, and you guys are going to be shocked because you got the videos of me riding it and all that, yeah? But I didn't even do my intake up. Literally didn't do my intake up. How the fuck was it riding? Eh? be fair, I should probably take it off and inspect the O-ring to make sure I didn't suck the O-ring up, but fuck it, if it sucks it up on it, it would have fucking died anyway. What? Loose on both sides. What? Let's see if it rattles less now. For a start, and if it does, and if it runs better, I won't even put the air filter back in. Now I'll wait until I get a performance one. Like I was doing. Right. On and idle's a bit low, let's just turn that up a little bit. Time the idle up on a YBR, you undo this screw on a fuel injected one. That'll do for idle wise. I can't tell if it's noisier, if that's what it's supposed to sound like. I'm pretty sure it sounded like that before. No, it is a little bit tappy to be fair. A little bit tappy, but that should be fine. I was going to chuck the air filter in anyway, actually, fuck it. But yeah, in all honesty, it does sound a lot better. No, I've tightened the intake up, so that might have fixed most of it, but I am going to put the air filter back in as well now. Fuck it. Actually, you know what? I'll leave that side panel off because I've just taken it off, but I'm going to take it for a test ride now and then with the filter in. Fuck it. Yee! So this is the old barrel. I've given it, and the piston rings, and I've given everything a good clean up. And basically, I haven't actually removed any material or anything from this, so this is just a clean up, right? And I never showed you guys, but the old piston and barrel, I had to do a lot of sanding down on both with wet sanding to make them fit properly, you know? And basically, it was quite tight, like there wasn't much clearance at all until I'd played with it, yeah? This is how it should have been, just fall straight through like that. Do you know what I mean? Like that. Whereas before, you'd try squeezing it in, it wouldn't even go through the top, you'd be pressing it down here, it'd be press, 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 press. So you'd let go there, it'd stay stuck there, and you'd actually have to put effort in to press it down, all the way down. You'd have to actually go, 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 go. Stick all your fingers in and all that. But that's how it's supposed to be. It should just go, you know? Yeah. This video has taken over 3 days now to make. Although I did the actual engine build really quick, it's just, I took the fuel tank and seat off a day before, and then filmed the rest the next day. But the third day now, the clocks are more bent than ever. And I've sorted all the tapping basically, long story short. There's no more tapping noise. So the YBR150 is good to go. Just needs wearing in. Also, indicator's not dangling enough anymore for everyone complaining. Still need a headlight there. Also, that's how my throttle works. Got the wrong cable. But yeah. Boys, boys, boys. Sit lanyard. Boys.